we wish our viewers a very warm welcome to the second edition of the MGC Global COVID Risk Mitigation Knowledge Series. This episode will deal with fraud risks. Over the last few months, much has been spoken and written about the havoc that the COVID-19 pandemic has caused, which has led to an economic as well as a social paralysis. While most organizations today have their workforce working from home by way of video conferencing, cloud computing, etc., this in itself poses some key challenges that we need to think about. This is the time for you to be giving thought to something which may otherwise not have been on top of your mind, which is how susceptible is your organization to fraud. Today, I'm delighted to speak with Akanksha Singh, who has played a key role in developing the forensic practice at MGC Global. She comes with over 12 years of professional experience. She has a degree in law, and she also has an associate membership from the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners, Texas, USA. My key question to you, Akanksha, is that what makes fraud even more profound in current times?
Thank you, Ruchi. So the concept of fraud triangle is not new. The three dimensions of fraud triangle are opportunity, pressure, and rationalization. As stated by you, these are at an even greater play during the current economic downturn. In fact, the COVID-19 has further strengthened the two specific dimensions of a fraud triangle, which are pressure and opportunity. Fraudsters are exploiting the current crisis for their own benefit. I will explain this further. We all know that consumer markets have been deeply impacted as stringent lockdown have brought their economic activity to a standstill. Waning demand for non-essential consumer goods and disruption in raw material supply have squeezed in profitability and cash flow for various organizations. Their demand has also taken a hit due to job losses, salary cuts, reducing the purchasing power of consumer in the current outbreak. While the industry combats operational challenges, the current economic environment has triggered more opportunity for organized criminal to defraud organizations and consumer. Therefore, organization and consumers need to be on their guard to protect themselves from any kind of fraud that could emerge as a result of this pandemic. Specifically, organizations are even more vulnerable and need to build a robust mechanism to mitigate their fraud risk in the time like this. I've recently conducted a detailed training on fraud risk management for a team at MGC Global and would like to share specific excerpts from the same. Examples of fraud, payroll fraud, where you introduce some ghost employees and pay salaries to their account. Then financial reporting fraud, will cover this in more detail later on. Tax evasion, where you understate your profits to evade tax. Then money laundering. E-crimes, which are more popular these days because we are more dependent on, especially in the COVID time, we are more dependent on technology. So the e-crimes are also increasing. Fraud triangle is a three dimension which if are present in your organization, then your organization is more prone to fraud. Because and if you want to control the fraud, then you need to break this fraud triangle.
Making fraud a part of the bigger risk agenda is imperative as it solidifies its importance. Fraud prevention is essential for organizations today, and the sooner the realization sets in, the easier it will be to tackle fraudsters. We do hope that you found this short capsule on fraud prevention helpful, and we look forward to seeing you once again in the next edition of the MGC Global COVID Risk Mitigation Knowledge Series.